Ayun si kuya, pumasok na dun sa ano. Pumasok dun sa agila. Oh my God, mabait itong Philippine Eagle yan, ano yan?
Serpent.
Oh, Serpent Eagle. Teka lang kayo, bibidyo ko. Guys, my first time na maglagay ng eagle, Serpent Eagle, dito sa aking ulunan, ano. Tingnan natin ha kung ano. Serpent Eagle. Ayun yung eagle. Diyan. So ito guys, oh my God. Oh, hello. Hi. How are you? What's your name?
Chica.
So hello, Chica. Hi, Chica. Say hi to my friends and followers from Boracay.
In your head, sir.
In your head. Oh, okay. Oh, in my head. Hi, Chica. You're in my head right now. Hello. Chica is located here in the Mount Luho, no? The highest peak in Boracay. Tapos lilipad siya. So kapag ayaw nyo na daw, I mean kung gusto nyo na siyang alisin sa ulo nyo, all you have to do is yuyuko lang, no? Okay, so tignan natin ha, si Chica. Chica is babae lalaki kuya. Chica is a girl, okay? Tapos tignan nyo ha, bababa ko yung ulo ko ha, tignan ko kung lilipad. Oh! Amazing! Thank you, Chica. Love, love. Pinaka-hawlan nila, no? Medyo malaki siya. Yan, this is Chica. Visit nyo si Chica dito sa Boracay. Ayan kuya, ano yan? Hindi eagle yan eh, no?
Serpent Eagle.
Serpent.
Sea Eagle.
Okay. Si Chica is Sea Eagle. And then Serpent Eagle.
Paris.
Si Paris. Hi, Paris. Hello. Paris is suplado. Okay. Serpent Eagle. And then Chica is Sea Eagle. Ayan, mabait si Chica. So guys, this is another adventure, another memories to treasure, no? Okay, ayan nga, no? Masyadong accommodating ang mga tao dito. Maglalagay lang kayo ng tip box dito, ayan. This is the tip box, okay?
Pambili ng ano, pambili ng pagkain.
Pambili ng pagkain nila Chica, ha? It's normal. So, we have to love yung mga birds natin, no? Okay, so love guys. See you later. Always take care because Sissy cares. I love you so much. Please like, comment, and share. I love you. God bless everyone.